Go for it.
So this is a new dance called the New Marshmallow Revolution. And it goes like this. I got marshmallows in my hot chocolate. I just gotta know 'cause it's so good. I gotta shake it up for some flavor. This is so hot and dreamy. Oh. Yeah. Let's do it again, people. I got hot chocolate and marshmallows. I got mixed them together and I can shake them up. I got marshmallows and hot chocolate. It's so hot and dreamy.
It's so dreamy.
Yeah, that's right, people. We'll put marshmallows and hot chocolate together.
That was awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yes.